Namaste. Welcome to Blishon Concept Teaching. Today we are solving the problems of Class 10th NCERT syllabus and the lesson name is Statistics. Exercise 13.3 and 4th question. The lengths of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to the nearest millimeter and the data obtained is represented in the following table. Find the median length of the leaves. Okay, this is the question. We have to find out the median and they have given these two information, that is length in millimeter and number of leaves table. Now here this is nothing but our class interval table. Okay, let me represent it as CI. Then number of leaves, see the frequency. This is the frequency table. Let me represent it as F. Okay. Now let us observe the class interval. Now look at these class intervals 118 to 126 and the next class interval it is started from 127. See, here it is stopped at 126 and the next class interval it is started from 127. Means what? The order of the class interval it is not correct, isn't it? Here 126, if it is stopped, then it has to start from 126. But here it is started from 127. Therefore, first we have to correct the order of the class interval. Okay. Now, let me show that. See here. Already I have prepared these two tables, that is length in millimeter and number of leaves. Okay. Let me represent it as CI and this as F. First let us correct the order of the class interval. Now look at this. See here. This one, the numbers are in this side. These are called as what? Lower class limit, and the numbers are there in this side. They are called as what? Upper class limit. To correct the order of the class interval, we have to subtract 0.5 from the lower class limit and we have to add 0.5 to the upper class limit. Okay. So here, that is 118 minus 0.5 is how much? 117.5 and 126 plus 0.5 is how much? That is 126.5. Like this we have to do the arrangement. Now look at this. 118 to 126. What it will become? 117.5 to 126.5. Okay. In the same way, 127 minus 0.5 is 126.5 and 135 plus 0.5 is how much? 135.5. In the same way I will do it. Then it will become 126.5 to 135.5. In the same way we will subtract 0.5 from the lower class limit and we will add 0.5 to the upper class limit. Then what it will become? It will become 135.5 to 144.5. Then 144.5 to 153.5. Then 153.5 to 162.5. 162.5 to 171.5. 171.5 to 180.5. Now we have corrected the order of the class limit. Here in the question it was given like this and we have corrected like this. Means what? We have subtracted 0.5 from the lower class limit and we have added 0.5 to the upper class limit. After doing this we will get the class interval like this. Now you can check that the order of the class intervals, they are in order. See here. 126.5, and the next class interval it started from 126.5, 135.5, 135.5, 144.5, 144.5, 153.5, 153.5, 162.5, 162.5, 171.5, 171.5. Means now we have corrected the order of the class interval. Now we can do the problem. Before doing, first let me write the frequency. That is, let me copy the frequency that is given in the question. That is 3, 5, 9, 12, 5, 4, 2. I am not making any changes in the frequency. Okay. Now our intention is to find out the median, isn't it? We know that to find out the median, first we have to find out the cumulative frequency, because to identify the median class we have to find the cumulative frequency. So let me find that. Cumulative frequency. We know that for the cumulative frequency, first frequency we won't change anything, we will write as it is, 3. Right? Then the next frequency, how we will find? 3 plus this frequency. 3 plus 5 is how much? 8. Okay. Then 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9 is how much? 17. Then 17 plus 12. 17 plus 12 is how much? 29. 29. 29 plus 5 is how much? 34. 34 plus 4 is how much? 38. Then 38 plus 2. 38 plus 2 is how much? 40. This is our cumulative frequency table. No need to write this one. You can write directly. But so many of them, they will get confused. So I have written in detail. Okay. Now look at this. This is the frequency table, isn't it? Now we have to add the frequency table to find n. Okay. N is equal to. Here, let us add the frequency table. That is 3 plus 5 plus 9 plus 12 plus 5 plus 4 plus 2 is how much? 40. N is 40. When we will add the frequency table, we will get n. Okay. Now to identify the median class, we know that we have to find out n by 2. Right? N by 2. That is 40 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 20s are 40. That is n by 2 is 20. Now we have to check in the cumulative frequency table where we will get this 20. Okay. Now look at the cumulative frequency table. 3, 8, 17, 29, 34, 38, 40. In this n by 2, that is 20. Where it will come? 17, it will become lesser than 20, so we should not take this one. The next one is 29. Yes, 20, it will come in this 29. So we will round up this one. This is our median class. Okay, that is 144.5 to 153.5. This is our median class. Then this one, F, that is frequency of the median class, it will become 12. Okay. Then cumulative frequency of the median class, that is CF, is which one? We know that cumulative frequency is the preceding frequency of the median class. Say, preceding means this is the median class and the preceding frequency means back one. That is CF. Preceding means here look at this carefully. This is our median class, and in the cumulative frequency, the behind the median class, this frequency is there, that is 17. Therefore, that is our cumulative frequency. Now, we know the value of F and CF. Now, what is L? L is how much? L is 144.5, because we know that 144.5 to 153.5, it is our median class, right? This is our median class. Then this is the lower class interval, and this is the upper class limit. This is lower class limit and this is upper class limit. L is the lower class limit of the median class. Therefore, L is 144.5. Okay. Now, F is how much? F is 12. That is frequency of the median class. CF is preceding frequency of the median class, that is 17. Now, H. What about H? H is the class size, right? That is 153.5 minus 144.5 is how much? 9. Right? Therefore, the class size is 9. Now, let us substitute all these values in the median formula. Okay? We know that median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. This is our formula to find out median. Therefore, median is equal to L. We know the value of L. That is what? 144.5. 144.5 plus n by 2. N by 2 is 20, right? N by 2 is 20. So, let me write this 20 minus CF is 17. CF is 17 divided by F. Frequency is 12. F is 12. So, I have substituted all these values into H. H is 9. The class size is 9. Okay. I have substituted all these values. Now, let us solve this. Median is equal to 144.5 plus 20 minus 17 is how much? 3. 3 divided by 12 into 9. Now, 3 divided by 12. Look at this. I will do inside. 3 by 12 is how much? 3 ones are 3. 3 fours are 12. It will become 1 by 4. Right? Median is equal to 144.5 plus 3 by 12 is 1 by 4 into 9. Median is equal to 144.5 plus 1 into 9 is 9. 9 by 4. Now, let us do 9 by 4. Okay. See the calculation here. 4 ones are 4 twos are 8. 1 remains. 0.0. 4 twos are 8. 2 remains. Since we have taken one decimal point, so I can take 1 0. 4 fives are 20. 20 minus 20 is 0. That is 9 by 4 is 2.25. Therefore, what can I write? Median is equal to 144.5 plus 2.25. Okay. Therefore, median is equal to, now let us add 144.5 plus 2.25. Okay, nothing is here means let us write 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 4 plus 2 is 6. 4, 1. That is 146.75. 146.75. This is our answer. Okay. Median length of the leaves is median length of the leaves is 146.75 millimeter. Okay. Hope you have understood. Stay connected. Keep supporting. If you really find our videos are useful, please don't forget to suggest your friends. Thank you.